What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Big Smurf from the Whoop Stop, back with another video. Today's video, guys, I'll be doing an unboxing on this little LED little logo, man, that I done ordered from purpgang. Y'all stay tuned for that. All right, you guys. So I'm inside, man, and I'm gonna do this unboxing of this package, bro. It's from purpgang. Y'all check them out on IG. Y'all check them out on IG, man. Purpgang. They got all kind of things. Endless mirrors. You can customize like endless mirrors. Man, it's all kind of things you can do. Y'all go check them out, guys. Y'all can see it. The box is open. This pack is pretty good. We're gonna dig off into this box. But yeah, like I said, man, I want to send a special shout out to purpgang. Yeah, purpgang. Y'all check them out. IG, it's purpgang. I reached out to them, man. You know, they reached out back. So yeah, guys, let's get it. Yes, sir. Y'all said the Whoop Stop. And I'm gonna pull it out this package, man. I'm gonna plug it up, and I'm gonna show y'all, you know, how it is when it's in the truck. Actually, I'm gonna walk outside to the truck and see like where I might put it at. But yeah, guys, this is LED. This is an LED logo, man. You know, I had to do it one time for the Whoop Stop, guys. So with this here one, I don't know where I might be putting it. I might put it somewhere up in this area, guys. But yeah, bro. You know, I'm gonna keep y'all posted once I actually plug it up, install it. You know, it's not nothing to do. It's not hard to do, man. It's just, you can see it. It plug up via USB, guys. So actually, I'm gonna walk it back inside, and then we gonna plug it up, man, and we gonna see how she glow, guys. All right, guys. As y'all can see, I done cut my flash off, and it's just the little banner by itself. What y'all think? It's time I start repping the Whoop Stop, guys. Yes, sir. It's about time I start repping the Whoop Stop. So if y'all see me in traffic, y'all watch them videos, guys, man, honk the horn, do something. Holler out the Whoop Stop. You hear me? Let me know y'all see me, man. Y'all see. But yeah, special shouts out to purpgang. Let me hit this light back on for you guys. But yeah, I sure do want to send a special shout out to purpgang, guys. Y'all make sure y'all go follow them on IG at purpgang. Y'all make sure y'all follow me on IG at the Whoop Stop. And I chose red, guys. I mean, you can pick, I mean, right here, you can pretty much put anything, you know. You just upload it. You got a custom picture or something, you upload that as well. And then you upload what you wanted to say. And just, you know, choose the color that you want. I believe they have like red, purple, blue, white. It's a couple of colors, guys. But I went with the red because y'all know the inside of the truck, man. I done accented it all in red. But yeah, guys, like I say, they get 5 stars from your boy, man. And no, you can't hardwire it, guys. It actually hook up via USB. But they give you this long card. I want to say the card at least like 12 feet, 15 feet. They give you this 15-foot card. So you pretty much can like put it anywhere you want to put it. Man, look at that, guys. Jeez. It look good, the wolf stop, baby. So man, y'all know what I'm about to ask, guys. I need everybody to drop down into the comments right now, guys, and leave me a comment where y'all think I should put it at, guys. Me personally, I was thinking about this back glass. Yeah, me personally, man, I was thinking about sticking that sucker like somewhere right here, maybe right there. What y'all think? I think like right here would be cool. We stick it right there. Stick it and forget it. What y'all let me know, guys. I would have did the side, but I feel like I don't have to, so it don't make no sense. You know, I want y'all to see it. When you see it, guys. Yeah, my hood still popped up. I gave my son a jump last night. You know, I let him use the truck, man, to go out and, you know, guys, he's 17, so I try to, you know, let him be a little grown. But anyway, guys, I let him use the truck last night, and some type of way, man, he let the battery die, so I had to go get him a jump. That's the reason why my hood still pop, guys. And y'all believe, man, I drove all the way back from Arlington Lake with my hood pop like that, guys. But y'all know, God be with you, boy, every step of the way, man. But anyway, man, back to what I was saying. Y'all jump down, comment below where y'all think I should put that sticker at, guys. Y'all think I should put it in the side window, the driver's side? Like somewhere up here at the back? On the passenger side? The rear of the passenger side? Y'all let me know, man. Y'all jump down, leave your boy a comment. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the LED, what you call them, man. Y'all let me know. You know, I figured, guys, it's time that I start advertising, man. Letting people know, man, where you can catch me at. So, hey, look at that glow, guys. Man, I'm just walking through the door. Now, the only thing that I don't like about it is wherever I put it, I will have to have this little brick right here close by so I can turn it off and turn it on when I want to. But, you know, I can't complain, man. I can't complain. But anyway, guys, I need everybody who watching this video, man, to go check out purpgang on Instagram and drop a comment. Let them know that the wolf stop sent you. But anyway, guys, this is my latest little mod. I mean, it's not no mod. It's just something that I wanted to do, guys. I feel as though it was time for me to put the whip stop out there, man. So, yeah. Y'all jump down in the comment, man, as y'all feeling this here. Leave me a thumbs up. We need at least 30 likes on this video, man. Yeah, guys, at least 30 likes on this video. And the giveaway is still here, guys. The giveaway ain't going nowhere. I know a lot of y'all may not care about the giveaway, but it's still here, guys. I'll be doing the giveaway sometime this month. So y'all stay tuned for that. And like I said, man, it's your boy Big Smurf from the Wolf Style, signing in, logging out. Everybody have a blessed day. Y'all know positive, loud spray, positive vibes. Until the next video, guys, I'll catch y'all.